Swadika! My name is Mandy and welcome to ShitMendyCooks Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a vegetarian dish, how to make Laab Mushroom. So let's get started!
Hi guys, it is Napa here and I will walk you through the steps of how to make the dish. First, we have all kinds of mushroom of your choice. You can choose whichever one you like. Then we have shallots, lime, toasted ground rice, chili powder, dried fried chili, soy sauce, mint leaves. We will begin with paring the mushroom. Simply slice them into smaller pieces so it is easy to eat. Okay, once the mushroom is done, you can set it aside and we will continue with slicing the shallots into smaller pieces. And then next, chop the lime. We're gonna need the juice. And lastly, we have Thai mint leaves. Just pick the leaves off the stem. Chop half of the leaves roughly and save some for garnish.
Don't forget to ปักตะไคร้สับตะไคร้ Just kidding. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
To start cooking, we're gonna add about 2 cups of water in a pan and set it over medium heat. When the water is boiling, we're gonna add the mushroom. Let the mushroom cook for a few minutes. The mushroom is finally cooked, so we're gonna turn off the heat and strain out the water. And now we're gonna season our mushroom salad by adding soy sauce, chili powder, toasted ground rice, lime juice, then mix together. Then add shallots and chopped mint leaves. Mix well and then we are done. For this dish, you will get umami flavor from the mushroom.
I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like, please like and share to your friend. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ring the bell so you don't miss the fun content. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!